All right. All right, got that camera set. Before I go to YouTube live. Oh, what's happening, y'all? Domino here. All right. Setting up the cameras up on all angles, you know, because I'm getting ready to dye some eggs and stuff like that, you know. All right. All right, there we go. All right, y'all. Happy Easter, everybody, and stuff like that. You know, let me see if this one is recording. Oh yeah, that one is definitely recording. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna put this one on. All right. All right, there we go. So my camera's recording on all angles, okay? Oh, and this one record too. All right. For some reason, I forgot I was recording on all angles, okay? So anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I'm about to dye some eggs and stuff like that. So about to set the stuff up, you know, and then I'm gonna go to YouTube live in a few, okay? Segment before dyeing eggs, okay? All right. I think I'm gonna get let me see, 6 egg stands, 1 dipper, six coloring tablets, okay? 6 coloring tablets. And here's the eggs right here. And this one I'm going to use, Super Mario Easter Egg Decorating Kit. All right, so setting up to dye eggs. So I'm going to get 6 cups, okay? All right, I'm going to get 6 cups. Let me see, maybe I should put it like right here, okay? I know y'all seeing me on those other cameras. All right, let me put it like that, okay? Easy does it, okay? Let me set it up as y'all watch me, you know? So, setting up the dye eggs, ladies and gentlemen, all right? I don't know who watching this, though. All right, so I'm going to say something positive. You know, oh yeah, there we go, six stuff, okay? Use this, and I'm gonna go on YouTube live after a while, okay? Later on, or whatever you want to call it. All right. I thought I had to open it up here instead of down here, but I'm gonna open it down here, okay? Oh. Oh my gosh. YouTube and Facebook. Oh, and look at this. Super Mario stickers. Super Mario stickers. Nintendo. All right. Super Mario stickers. All right. All right. Well, I'll deal with all this on YouTube. Okay. All right. So with my other cameras right here. Okay, to show y'all the Mario here. Okay, I'm stopping tape on this one. All right, I'm setting up, and I'm using this camera to show y'all the Mario right there, and I'm about to stop this tape. I don't know if y'all heard that or not. All right, and with this camera, I'm going to stop it. Okay? All right. This one don't make a sound. All right, so what I'm going to do, y'all, I'm about to pour the vinegar in these 6 cups. Okay? All right. Setting up the dye eggs. And I'll put these pills in there. Okay? And we're going to continue the rest on YouTube, okay? Let me drink my soda. Coca-Cola Zero. Not supposed to be drinking nothing but acid right now. All I'm going to do is pour the vinegar and get ready for the next story. Okay? All right. All right, get started before the, pour some vinegar in here. There we go. Put some vinegar in here. There we go. I wish Kirsten was watching this. In here. There we go. In here. There we go. In here. There we go. And in here. I'm laughing in my mind. I'm going to tell you why I'm laughing, though. Because I can hear my auntie saying, oh, that's my nephew, that's my nephew. And my mama screaming from heaven, oh, that's my son. Yes, indeed. So, let me show y'all the pills. Yep, this is the pill, okay? So, yep, this is what we're going to use, okay? Super Mario Easter Egg Decorating Kit, okay? It contains 6 coloring tablets, 1 egg dipper, 33 foam stickers, 6 egg stands, 3 rapids, whatever that say, instructions. Well, never mind the rest of that. So let's turn on the back. Look at that, okay? And I'm about to show y'all the stickers and stuff that we got here, okay? Wow. How many like Mario? If they would have had Sonic, I would have got Sonic. I don't know which one I like the most, Sonic or Mario, okay? I don't know if Zelda and AJ like Mario, but I know they like Sonic, you know? Look at this, y'all. Look at that. Uh-oh. I pressed the wrong one. I pressed the wrong one again. Let me try this again. All right, y'all. Now I'm back, okay? Oh, on this side of the camera. All right, y'all. So I'm setting up for the before I dye some eggs, okay? All right, so this story on YouTube gonna be getting ready to dye eggs, okay? All right, so thank y'all for watching this, okay? All right, and I'm getting ready to get started after a while. So check me out on YouTube Live, and if you're watching this on YouTube, you're already watching it, okay? But if you watch it on I must explain. So just watch the darn video. All right, bye.